My name is Ryan. I'm the unofficial official apartment tester, and we're back here at Marcotte Properties to bring you another video of It Works. But today's a little different because it is the midst of summer, and there's a little bit of something interesting I found on the internet.
Mountain Dew flavored hot dogs is trending online. The description on the packaging calls them uncured beef franks.
You know what? Let's just see. Can we make it work? Let's just try it. Now, I actually had to pre-film making this, and I used some special ingredients for that, so let's roll that tape now. Sizzling as much. They're so red now. Okay. Let's do the strawberry first, the orange next, and the disgusting Mountain Dew. Gross. Now we're here for the taste test. I'm not sure what happened to this fork, but it's interesting. Okay, so which one shall we taste first? Let's go for the strawberry one. Disgusting. Let's go for the, it does taste like strawberry. Orange? No, not that one. And the Mountain Dew. We're pretty much all disgusting. Let's go check something else out. Oh, look, a pool. The true way to test a pool is to actually go in it. And no, I'm not gonna go in this pool fully clothed. So let me show you what we do for the proper attire. Now we're ready for the pool. Yep, it works. One of the last spots for Marcotte Properties, which is the laundry facilities. And Nora, who's not gonna be on film here, kindly let me actually borrow her laundry to show you how it works. But I think she conned me into doing her laundry is what I really think happened. Okay, let's go here. We got some towels, okay? We're gonna close it. So apparently they use a program called Pay Range to do laundry. There's no coins. You have to pick the washing machine. It's in this room. So this is washer number 5. Okay. Got it? You're gonna slide to pay. Normal? Okay. Hit start.
Yes.
It works.